Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today, we'll dive into how to download, install, and set up Mirillis Action, a super popular screen recording software, plus the activation process. Let's get started. Open your web browser and head over to the official Mirillis Action website. The download link is right on the homepage. Choose the version compatible with your operating system. Click the download button and hang tight while the installer file saves to your computer. Once downloaded, locate the installer file and double-click to start the installation process. Follow the installation wizard steps. Just click Next or Install to proceed. Make sure to read and agree to the license agreement. Click Finish when the installation is complete. Double-click the Mirillis Action desktop shortcut to open the application. To activate your license, enter the license key. I prefer to use a different folder for recording files, so let's change that output folder. I leave most settings as default, but let's tweak the video recording settings. In the Video tab, adjust the resolution, frame rate, and quality settings based on your needs and system capabilities. We've successfully downloaded, installed, and set up Mirillis Action. Now you're ready to start recording your screen activities. Remember to experiment with the different settings and features to find the best configuration for your specific needs. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or encounter issues, feel free to leave a comment below.